Ma'am, ID card provided by the school then.
Pardon? Beta, can you repeat your question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but ID card are not provided by the school.
Yes, school has not provided because this year the school was not open, right? But that's what I told you. We will give you temporary ID cards. Those who have your previous year's ID card, you can use the same one, your ninth standard ID card you can use, so that I'll just inform the principal of that particular center. Maybe your center will be St. Joseph. So I'll tell her that she will allow all the children when ID card is concerned. But those who don't have the ID card, you can come to office and you can collect your ID card. Thing is, you are expected to come with a passport size photograph. So you will get the signed signature of the principal and you can use it as a ID card.
And ma'am, what about mask?
Mask is compulsory, my dear. Yes, I think I did not.
So, ma'am, what is ma'am?
You are
Ma'am,
expected.
N95 or N?
Yes, N95 is compulsory for all the children. You are expected to take all the precautions, try to follow the COVID protocol, right? You know about it. I need not have to specially again explain regarding sanitizing, regarding social distancing. There will be the tunnels in the examination center. Once you enter into the examination center, you will be sanitized, and then try to even carry a small sanitizer if allowed. That instruction I'll give you before the examination. I'll have a discussion with the center, with the principal of that particular center, and then I'll let you know. Once again, anyway, before examination, I'm going to conduct the same session where I'm going to alert you with the latest changes which you have to follow. So your mask will be
Okay, ma'am.
compulsory, sanitizer will be compulsory. Try to take your own water bottle. Try to have your breakfast because the examination would end by 1:30. So sometimes children will feel, fainted. You will get that nausea feeling. So try to have your breakfast, like a very healthy light breakfast, and get into the examination hall. Any other questions? Yes, beta. Bottle should be transparent because before last year there were some children who were trying to hide something in the bottle, and then this happened. So it was being said that the transparent bottle is allowed, and all the children are expected to carry the transparent bottle itself. So you can use this disposable use and throw bottle. As a matter of fact, now we did not receive where is your examination center, but most probably. 99.9% your center will be St. Joseph. Pouch should be even
Ma'am,
transparent. So you should carry, because some children were using chits in their pouch. It was difficult for the invigilator to go and check. So in that case, uh, they made it compulsory that the students are expected to carry transparent pouch. And even at the gate, you will be frisked. They will try to check everything at the gate. After frisking, the child is allowed into the examination center. So be careful. Do not carry any such things where even your mood will be down, where you will be disturbed. So that shouldn't happen. Be careful about that. Beta, all of you are unmute. I have unmuted everybody. You can unmute your microphone and you can talk to me.
Ma'am,
Yes,
hello.
yes, please tell
No
me. You are.
stapler is allowed to tie
Yes, beta.
stapler
No,
to
you
tie the
you need
supplement.
not have to take stapler. You cannot take stapler. You will be given a string. You will be given a thread. So there will be a hole, and you can use your compass or you can use your pen to make a hole for your map, right? And you are expected to tag it. You have to tie the string. So do not carry any stapler or any such things. Yes, beta, writing pad should be transparent. try to carry, and do not write anything on the pad. Nothing should be written. If something is written, they will try to seize your pad. So you will be disturbed. The CS will be continuously moving on the rounds. And there are like, 3 types of squads: sitting squads, standing squads, and flying squads. So all of a sudden, CBSE gives us this duty. All of a sudden, they tell us, they make a call and tell us, this principal will go and try to like check the center where the examination is going on. So all of a sudden, somebody will come for inspection. They will come and check that whether some students are in possession of any of the chits or any other articles. So in that case, there will be a problem for the student. So do not carry anything. But you will be all like free if at all you don't carry anything. Otherwise, in order to cover, yes, you can carry your kerchief. You can take your kerchief. It's better use a tissue paper. Otherwise, the kerchief is good. You can use it, no problem. Don't carry any unwanted things. Yeah, you can make the margin both the sides, but it should not be very wide. It should be proper. But towards the left side, it is only to write the numbers, question number, answer. This is what you will write. And on the right side, it will be a bit wide, not very wide, where you can do some calculations, where you can write some rough work. And even that rough work, once you finish the examination, you can strike it off. Um, it's really funny. Sanitizer bottle should be transparent or not? Yeah, of course, it will be transparent. Try to carry a small one. I have said in the beginning, use blue ball pen, right? Do not use any other colors. Blue ball pen. Actually, black is also allowed, but blue looks very good. While checking, it will be comfortable for the eyes also. Try to use blue ball pen itself. Don't use any other colors.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, as you said that the roll number is of minimum 5 characters, and
Whole
so
number
if
will be
in
of
the answer,
digits, not characters.
sorry, digits,
Yeah,
minimum 5 digits.
yeah.
So if in the answer sheet the blocks are more, so do we have to leave the blocks empty or
See,
have to write there
this is
some?
what I was trying to show you. This is your answer book, right? This is how your answer book is. And here you will have the seal. Actually, we thought of having this practice for you in the prelim exams, but unfortunately, because of this COVID, we cannot conduct your prelims. If at all you would have written the last prelim, we would have given you this type of papers. This is what we were planning. And I'll show you, this is the seal. This seal will not be broken. So when they tell you to break the seal, only at that time you are allowed to break the seal. And here use a scale to break the seal this way. Okay. So if you pull or push, so this paper will be torn. If at all the paper is torn, again there will be a problem. Use a scale. And now here you have number of blocks over here for your roll number. If the number of digits are more than the number of blocks provided here, so you will try to start writing from here. Your number should start from here. If at all the first one digit is remaining, that will come here. And here up also you write your number, and then you will mention over here and try to darken these circles. But many times, this is my experience, children. I'm telling you with the experience. Every year and every day, one or the other student made mistake while filling this OMR sheet. Those who have written the competitive exams, they have the experience of filling the OMR sheet. But whereas many children every day make mistake over here and here. So you should be very careful and cautious when this part of your answer book is concerned. Hope it is visible to everybody. And sometimes even it happened in the previous examination, one student, what she did, she thought that, see, here there is a small like symbol of scissors. I think you can see there is a symbol of scissors. And what the girl thought, she thought that this page should be cut. And what she did, once she finished the exam, she has cut this page, right? From here, she has cut the page and then she has handed over this one to the invigilator. Ma'am, iska main kya karu? Oh my God, that was a very, very pathetic condition. The child has cut this, so this should not be done. Be careful, be sensible. यहाँ पे आपको कोई भी कट नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे सीजर्स का मार्क आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. तो शी वॉज अंडर द इम्प्रेशन जब सीजर्स दिख रहा है तो शायद हमें ये पेज को कट करना होगा. आपको कोई भी पेज को कट नहीं करना है. एंड चिल्ड्रन, these papers are really very delicate, you know. If at all even you put some little pressure, this paper will be torn. So be careful. Again and again I'm repeating, see to it that no paper will be torn here. No paper of this answer book will be torn. Even sometimes the stitch is not proper. बहुत मतलब ब्लीक होता है, बहुत डेलिकेट है ये स्टिच. समटाइम्स ये स्टिच भी निकल जाता है. सो इसे छेड़खानी नहीं करना है. विद दिस पेपर यू शुड बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. Yes, if you have anything to ask, you can definitely. You can unmute yourself and put your question. And try to write all the answers which you are confident of. Sometimes what you will do, you will leave the page and sometimes there are options, either or. Two questions will be given and you will be asked to write one answer out of that. So most of the times what children will do, they will try to attempt both the answers. They will be under impression, चलो मुझे इसमें से 2 मार्क मिलेंगे और इसमें से 2 मार्क मिलेंगे. आधा आधा आंसर लिख के छोड़ देते हैं. So please do not do that. Try to write the thorough answer. If you're confident of that answer, then try to write that first. And when second answer is concerned, do not write it. Okay, write only one answer out of the option, but it should be proper and try to write the question number correctly. And if you are not confident, do not write, but don't write both don't try to attempt both the questions. There will be again confusion. Yeah, as a matter of fact, it is being said that you are asked to do the rough work over here only, on the right side. On the right side, you can do the rough work. Once you finish the rough work, you can strike it off. But on the other hand, even you can use this last page to do the rough work. In mathematics, you have so much of rough work. So you can do the rough work here in the last page. And again, you can put a cross over here. Once you finish doing the work, you can put a cross over here. And apart from that, think that instead of 32 pages, you have finished writing your examination in maybe 29 pages or 28 pages. So last 4 pages, just try to strike it off. Do not write anything. Try to strike it off. Can you read the charts? Like, if at all there are some... Please unmute yourself and try to raise the voice, raise the question. Some 4 to 5 children are typing together, so I'm missing the charts.
Ma'am, we need to cross all the remaining pages.
Yes, wherever you have not written anything, if at all think that out of 32 pages, you have finished writing your examination in 30 pages, then rested 2 pages should be crossed. Put a cross.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Unfortunately,
Tell me, beta.
Unfortunately, we did some mistake in filling the papers. So can
Yeah.
we demand for new?
No, you will not get. That is the reason to conduct today's session, because every year in every class, one or the two students made the mistake. So again, we made the procedure. We have to write that the child is correct. The student has done this by mistake. So we have to write to CBSE board. So only then that paper will be approved. Otherwise, that paper will not be, answer book will not be valid. It will be invalid. They will get the doubt, शायद ये ओरिजिनल स्टूडेंट नहीं है, इसके जगह पे कोई और बैठा है, तो वो बच्चे ने गलती शायद कर दी होगी, बिकॉज you know your name properly, you will not make mistake. You know your roll number, you will not make mistake. So why this mistake? They will get the doubt. The matlab, you are trying to give a space for doubt. So be confident. Do not make any mistakes. You will get almost 20 minutes to do this work. That was the reason I told you, try to attend the examination center before the given time. 10:30 your examination will start. So by 9:30 try to be there. From 9:45 they will allow you inside. So it will take 5 minutes for frisking. They will try to frisk at the gate. Then you will go inside. The moment you get inside, before half an hour, you will get your answer book. So at that time, you can start writing all these things, filling, encircling, darkening the circles. You will get sufficient time and you will not be confused. Think that if you enter into the examination hall late, so you will be in a hurry to write all the details. So you will definitely do so many mistakes. Try to be cool. Try to be very, very stable. Your mind should be good. You should be happy. Now, you should not have that fear, tension, examination and all. Already PM Modi said that examination is a celebration. It's a festival. You should enjoy it. And even I advise all the students sitting over here attending this program today, please do attend Modi's Pariksha Pe Charcha. Do try to attend this program. You will gain so much of confidence. You will get so much of idea. The preparation to get into the examination hall will start. This will definitely help you a lot. So without fail, try to attend Modi's Pariksha Pe Charcha program. He is going to address all the students of grade 10. He will give you some nice tips. He will give you some successful mantras. This is going to help you out a lot. Okay. So try to enter the examination hall before time. You will get so much of time. And try to read the question paper. You will get 15 minutes to read the question paper. Try to understand the question paper questions properly. Sometimes in a hurry, you read half question, you understand 1/4, and you start writing the answer. Then later on, you will realize after one or two questions, I have written this answer wrong. So in that case, again, you cannot rectify. Your time will be wasted. Time management is very, very important. How much time you require to complete this examination, whether you have given sufficient time for section 1, section 2, section 3, you should be very, very careful and vigilant. Yes, if you don't remember the answers in the beginning, first try to write all the answers which you are confident of, and later on you can start writing the answers which are not very much confident, but you can think and you can write the answers. And another important thing is, children, you can absolutely depend on your NCERT books. Now, do not go for any reference books. Don't go for S. Chan. Don't go for R.D. Sharma. Don't go for any other publications. Rather, try to depend absolutely on your NCERT books, because the questions will be absolutely from the exercise given below every lesson. These are the questions they are going to ask you. So try to revise, repeat, practice those questions which are given below the lesson. You are going to get the questions from the same exercise.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to wear sandal or shoes.
Beta, you can wear shoes. Actually, school uniform consists of shoes. But if you don't have shoes, if your shoes are broken, if your shoes have become small, then go with some simple plain sandals. Okay? But use socks.
No, ma'am, because my sister was in 10th, no, she was
Yes, shoes
they
are
told
not
to
allowed
wear
because some
sandals.
students were trying to hide some chits in the shoes. Okay, that was the reason. But you can come with school uniform and do not carry anything in the shoes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but the ma'am also one ma'am that Pariksha Pe Charcha ma'am, the website shows error 404.
Now I think the time is up. You keep on repeating.
Ma'am,
If at all you cannot, if you get the error, again try to like register the second time, again the third time. You will definitely get registered. Do it at least 3 to 4 times, because all the students throughout across the country are trying to register for this program. So no doubt there will be, server problems sometimes. So try to do it again. See, do not put the cross, right, immediately. If at all some pages are left over, do not try to put the cross. Think that after 10 minutes, you might remember the answer. So before submission of the paper, try to put a cross, because they will give you the warning. There will be a warning bell before 15 minutes. So they will tell you last 15 minutes. So at that time, think that you have finished your paper and now you have nothing to write. So in that case, you try to put a cross. Otherwise, before 5 minutes of submission, you can put a cross. Don't try to put cross in the beginning of the examination that I do not know. Don't put a cross. And your handwriting should be neat. Handwriting should be legible. It should be readable. Now, children, try to understand your answer sheets will be sent to any corner of the country. It's not that Orion CBSE school is going to check your papers, or St. Joseph or some Rustomji or some CBSE schools of Jalgaon district are going to check the papers. Your paper will be checked by any of the school in the corner of the country. They can send anywhere. So think that if your paper is neat, clean, if your handwriting is proper, if you have written good in the proper format, then wherever your paper goes, you don't have to worry at all, because you have written well, the content is proper, you have written point wise, you have underlined the important points, you have written legibly, it is readable, so there's no problem, there's nothing to worry. And children, how the invigilators are evaluators are going to check the papers, I'll just try to like brief you about this. Every teacher, every evaluator will be given a marking scheme, right? They will get a marking scheme and then question paper. So question paper will be there and all the answers will be given to them. So they will try to check whether the points written by the children are matching the answer scheme or not. If they are matching, they will give you the marks. If they're not at all matching, so in that case, even, uh, they will hesitate to give you the marks. So please try to write point wise, try to practice. The question banks are there. How to write the answer. Try to go through the answer book written by the topper students. Excuse me. So try to practice the answers again and again, and that will definitely help you out. Children, you have to use pencil to draw the diagrams. Use pencil to draw the diagrams. Hello. My voice is audible, no? You
Ma'am,
can
Are
unmute.
we
Yes.
supposed to use pens to cross the pages?
Yes, beta. You have to do it with pen only, not with the pencil. So what is the
Ma'am?
logic? What is the logic behind that? Think that if you put a cross with a pen, so nobody can write anything. If somebody would write something, so that is invalid. But sometimes, if you put it with a pencil and there is a chance, sometimes if some, uh, illegal activities are going on, so they will try to erase and write, the invigilator will write the answer because he has taken some money from, so sometimes it would happen. This would not generally happen. So you are allowed to make a cut with pen only. If it is with pencil, again, there will be the question would arise. So do it with pen.
Ma'am, how can we demand for rechecking?
So there is a form. Think that if you get less marks, once the results are out, so if you get less marks, immediately they will send you a link for rechecking, and there is some fees. You have to pay the fees for rechecking, and if you pay the fees and if you send the form, then they will recheck and they will give you the answer for that.
Ma'am, if
Beta.
any of the answer got wrong by
Ma'am, can we
mistakenly,
use
so
cutter
we
to
have
cut
to
the
cross
seal?
on it or not?
Pardon, but two students are speaking at a time, so it's a bit difficult for me to understand. One student. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, if any of the answer got wrong by mistakenly, so we have to do cross on it and we have to means write again. So we
Yes,
have
you
to
can do that.
cross.
Think that if at all it is wrong, so you can strike it off. Okay. But striking in the
Ma'am,
sense,
with
do not,
pencil or pen?
scratch it. आप लोग strike कैसे करते हो? Because I have seen you will try to put some 10 to 15 lines. Don't do that. Just put one single line and then write the answer again. Put the question number. Do not forget to put the question number.
Ma'am, can we use cutter to cut that seal?
No, beta, don't take cutter and all. It is not allowed. Okay? You can use your scale. आप अपना scale लेकर जाओ और scale से ही आपको सिर्फ ऐसे scale से हल्का सा किया ना तो seal break होता है. ये कुछ इसमें बहुत ज्यादा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि this is the seal, right? और ये seal को सिर्फ ऐसे आप करोगे तो ये break हो जाता है. It is very easy to break. I don't want to break the seal and show you, but it's very simple. Just put the scale inside. सिर्फ इतना ख्याल रखें कि pages फटे नहीं. So सिर्फ ऐसे रखो and then try to slowly like slide it and the seal will be broken. You can see, I'll show you one example over here. ये जो आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, ये पेज देखिए ऐसे कटा हुआ है. Yeah, this is a perforated one. सारे छोटे छोटे मतलब यहाँ पे पिन किए हुए रहते हैं, डॉटेड होता है. It is very easy to cut. तो कृपया इसे कभी कट मत करना. अगर आपने ये कट किया तो आपका पेपर इनवैलिड हो जाएगा. Do not cut this. One girl did this and we made a very big process to CBSE. We have written a letter stating that she did it by mistake. उसको पता नहीं था and all and all and all. So we were expected to give so much of explanation. So the time will be wasted in that. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Sorry.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can we ask for a supplement while we are having a blank page in our previous supplement?
See, think that you have 2 to 3 more answers. You're confident enough that I can write this 3 to 4 answers and I definitely require one supplement. So in that case, you can demand. And even when you wanted to demand for a supplement, last 30 minutes, they will not give you because it is written in the rules that if at all somebody is demanding in the last half an hour, so teacher will check whether there are pages left over in your booklet or not. Then she will decide whether to give or not. So you should ask before 30 minutes. तो अभी शायद ये साल में change हो सकता है. You can even demand before 5 minutes also. But see to it that you will try to demand for supplement before half an hour. And you should be confident that think that आपने supplement लिया और सिर्फ 2 या 3 लाइन लिखेंगे तो कोई मतलब नहीं होगा. तो आपको कम से कम 2 से 3 पेजेस लिखना चाहिए. So that you should manage. आपको वो management आना चाहिए. And somebody has asked whether we can go with cursive handwriting. See, I will tell you the logic behind this. Cursive handwriting जो होता है, English medium teachers अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं. In convent schools or in English medium schools, we teach cursive writing and children also write very good cursive writing. But there are, see now your paper might even go to Kendriya Vidyalaya, it might go to Navodaya, it might go to some government schools of CBSE. So in that case, they are not well acquainted with cursive writing. Sometimes if you write cursive, they fail to understand what you have written. If at all you have one word answers, if you have some fill in the blanks. So if you write that one word, if they don't understand, in that case, they will try to cut your marks. So better, clear, neat, legible होना चाहिए. Legible यानी कैसा भी हो handwriting, समझ में आना चाहिए. So ऐसे सुंदर writing लिखो. Even if you write print letters, it won't matter. You can write print letters also.
And we can write in neat cursive.
Yeah, you can write. Your handwriting should be legible. That's it.
Ma'am, wearing a watch is allowed or not?
I have already said. So please use a simple watch. Okay. Analog watch जो होता है वो यूज करो. डू नॉट यूज डिजिटल वॉच.
Ma'am,
Try to use simple watch. Yes.
ma'am, it is compulsion to only sol or rough in the side of the page. We cannot use back side of the supplement.
You can. See, it depends for mathematics. If you have big calculations, so you cannot do that in the small margin, isn't it? So you can use the backside paper,
Yes, ma'am.
then
That's why.
strike it off at the end.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can use 2 pens. Different
You
pen.
take 2 to 3 pens, but they should be of same color. They should be of same pattern, because starting you are using one color and all of a sudden you are changing your pen, so the color will be different, and even the the size of writing will be different. So that should not happen. Use same type of pens. Keep 2 to 3. Always it is good to have 1 or 2 extra pens, but don't carry 5 to 6 pens. 2 or 3 pens are okay. Carry your own stationery, pencil, eraser, scale, geometry box. Use these things.
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
beta.
Ma'am, after breaking the seal, if we found that there is a torn page inside, so ma'am, we can demand for the new answer book.
Yes, that's what I was telling you in the beginning. If at all any of the pages are torn, try to report it immediately to the invigilator. Ma'am, मेरा पेपर फटा हुआ है, मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. So immediately they will try to replace. बहुत ज्यादा फटा हो तो think that ऐसे ऊपर जैसे ये बांध के आता है घट्टा, जब ये पेपर का बंडल बनाते हैं तो यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा कट यहाँ पे आ सकता है. कभी कभी ये छोटा छोटा कट यहाँ पे रहता है here. So that will not matter. Even यहाँ पे भी कभी छोटा सा मतलब आपको फटा हुआ दिख सकता है. So this really will not matter. But think that inside भीतर बहुत बड़ा कट है. जैसे कि अभी देखो यहाँ पर ये पेज कट है. This is almost like torn. You can see this. ऐसा पेपर अगर है तो do not accept it. तो तुरंत आपको रिपोर्ट करना है, and invigilator will try to exchange the paper. She will replace your paper immediately.
No, ma'am. After writing our all the details on the first page, after that, if we broke that seal and inside we found that it is torn, then what?
Then also you can inform, no problem. Even after writing the details, if it is not in good condition to write, so immediately inform.
Okay, ma'am.
So somebody has asked, Madam, what about speed of writing? Beta, you have to manage that. Sometimes even most of the times it happened when the children came out of the examination center. They said, ma'am, time कम पड़ गया था. Time क्यों कम पड़ेगा भाई? Question paper को जो design किया है, this is as per the time itself. They know how to design the question paper. What is the timing for first section? How many minutes for second section? How many minutes for third section? For descriptive answers, how much time should be given? So they will try to calculate this. They will try to conduct one mock exam for the children. They will check the things, and CBSE will see to it that some 10-15 minutes should be excess, but they will not give you less. So this has been already planned, designed after conducting mock test only. So this time will be sufficient. This 3 hours for 80 marks is sufficient time, but you should know how to manage your writing speed. You should know the time management. That's very important. Yes, beta.
Different,
You can put your question in Hindi, no problem. आप हिंदी में पूछ सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
मैम अगर हमने एक डायग्राम बड़ी डायग्राम ड्रॉ की है तो
हाँ.
वो बहुत बड़ी हो गई और हमने उसको लेबल भी कर दिया,
वापस छोटा बनाना है उसे.
किया और फिर हाँ और उसके ऊपर फिर कुछ दूसरा आंसर लिख दिया तो वो
बेटा आपको इतना बड़ा भी नहीं बनाना है. इट शुड बी प्रॉपर नीट. मतलब आपको चेक करना है कि लेबल करने के लिए जगह वहां पे सफिशिएंट है क्या नहीं है. तो यू शुड हैव दैट इन योर माइंड. यही तो रीजन था कि हम आपको प्रीलिम्स कंडक्ट कर रहे थे. So most of the children were happy when online exam started. Online में क्या होता है? कुछ नहीं होता है. You will not be serious, you know. Sometimes you try to copy the answers and write. You will not get that real experience. Only we had 2 exams, but you should draw it properly. Check it should have sufficient place, right? वो अंदाज आपको होना है, estimation आपको होना है कि कितना जगह इसके लिए लगेगा. So take
मैम
that.
ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स में सर जाम हो जाता है मैम, 3 घंटे तक स्क्रीन के सामने बैठना.
True, that is
continuously.
true. I understand. Even I don't prefer online exams. That was the reason we have scheduled your offline exams. हमने आपके prelims इसीलिए रखा है. But unfortunately, once again lockdown till 31st of March. और आपके पास अभी टाइम भी बचा नहीं है. 1 month बस ऐसे देखते देखते निकल जाता है.
मैम स्कूल को हॉलीडेज कब से लगेंगे फॉर बोर्ड प्रिपरेशन?
बेटा अभी तो हॉलीडे जैसा ही तो है. You are not coming to school. So where are the holidays? And most of the children are even not attending online sessions. So it's almost equal to holidays. You can prepare. You have so much of time. अभी भी जिसने preparation शुरू नहीं किया है, अभी भी आपके पास वक्त है. You can even start now. Within this 1.5 month, you can even complete the whole syllabus. If you sit day and night.
Ma'am,
Seriousness चाहिए. बेटा बता.
ma'am, prelim 3 will be online.
Now let us see if the condition is favorable, if the environment is conducive. So in that case, we are going to conduct offline. Yes, we wanted to conduct offline because that will be a good practice for you. Time
Ma'am,
management का practice होना जरूरी है आपके लिए. हाँ बेटा. Yes dear, tell me.
मैम रिजल्ट ऑफ प्रीलिम 1.
Ma'am,
Yes, you can wear regular uniform. Okay, no problem. And on Saturdays, you can go with your house dress. On Wednesday, you can go with your white dress.
Ma'am, what about result of prelim 1?
Yes, you will get better. Day after tomorrow, we have open house. We are going to put your results on your groups.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what about our IT practicals?
Yes, you will have your IT. Actually, we have scheduled it. Okay. But now because of this lockdown, we are not calling the children. But there is a guideline from Education Department. So they are going to give some special guideline for 10th and 12th standard children. So hope we can call you within this week or 10 days. You will get the notice. Once you get, you can come and attend the IT practicals.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if we are given 3 questions and we have to write any 2, and if we wrote all the 3 questions, which 2 will be checked? First 2 or the 2 appropriate ones?
That's what I said in the beginning. If you write out of 3, if you write 3 questions, only first 2 will be checked, not the third one. They will strike it off, the third one. So write only 2
Ma'am, but they have
which you are confident of.
choices.
Which you are confident of.
Okay, ma'am.
First you check what answer you are confident of. So write those 2 answers first. Okay. And third answer will not be checked. Once they check those
Ma'am,
2
can
answers.
there be wrong questions?
If at all the question is wrong, you need not have to worry at all. Feel happy, right? You will get full marks for that question. But the thing is, condition is, you should attempt that question. Think that the question is wrong. And if you attempt that question, you will get full marks. If it is 8 marks question, then you will get 8 marks. Think that the question is wrong and you have not attempted the question. Sorry. In that case, you will not get the marks. So try to attempt it. If it is a wrong question, do attempt. I recommend it. Do
Okay,
attempt the
ma'am.
question.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Sorry. Yes, please tell me.
मैम कैन वी गेट डिफरेंट टाइम, मतलब हमें अलग अलग टाइम मिलेगा क्या मैम डिटेल फिल करने के लिए और अपना के पेपर रीड करने के लिए?
हाँ बेटा, आप जैसे एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में जाओगे, जाते ही आपको आंसर बुक दिया जाएगा. So you will get almost 20 minutes to fill the details, right? और
And
10:30 से
reading.
10:45 तक आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर रीड करने के लिए 15 मिनट दिया जाएगा. होप आई
मैम
एम
और जो
क्लियर.
क्वेश्चन पेपर के सेट्स हो गए उन सबकी लेवल एक ही होगी क्या? फिर कोई हार्ड होगा कोई इजी होगा?
ऑलमोस्ट नहीं, हार्ड एंड इजी तो नहीं होगा, लेवल सभी का एक ही रहेगा. दिस इज इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड कॉपिंग. तो कभी बच्चे मतलब एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. दे विल ट्राई टू लाइक यू नो, अभी यू हैव एमसीक्यूज. सो एमसीक्यूज के कुछ अलग अलग आपके सिंबल्स होते हैं. दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, दिस इज सी. सो यू विल ट्राई टू डू दिस. सो इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड दैट द पेपर्स विल बी डिफरेंट. और आपके बाजू में जो बैठेगा उसका पेपर सेम नहीं रहेगा. So A, B, C, D. The seating arrangement will be of 24 students in each block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 आते हैं एक रो में. Then second रो में 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 आते हैं. So पेपर बिल्कुल मैच नहीं होगा आपका. आपके बाजू में जो बैठा है, आपके पीछे जो बैठा है, आपके दोनों बाजू में जो भी बैठे हैं, आपका पेपर मैच नहीं होता है. ऐसा होता है. So questions, most of the questions will be similar by the way. लेकिन किसी का पेपर, किसी का को जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रहेगा दूसरे पेपर में वो शायद 5th क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, 10th क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. तो क्वेश्चन समटाइम्स विल बी डिफरेंट आल्सो, डिफरेंट भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन लेवल हार्ड एंड इजी का नहीं रहेगा. इट विल बी सेम लेवल.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, will we get practice on CBSE answer sheet?
As a matter of fact, we thought of, right? We will see if possible. Think that after 31st of March, if environment is conducive, if we can call the children to school, so we are going to prepare such papers for you and we'll show you that type of paper so that you can practice on that. Questions will come from NCERT itself, children, this year. Next year, they will be based on different application based, logic based, reasoning based. So next year the questions will be different. But now this year you will get all the questions from NCERT itself. So next year the questions will be out of the box.
Can you conduct
Ma'am, means no
time?
There
question
will be
there from
so much
outside.
of space between two benches. They are not very close. Only 24 benches will be there in each class.
Ma'am, means there will be no, ma'am, means there will be no question from means outside of NCERT.
No questions from outside. You will get all the questions from NCERT, and that too you will get all
Okay,
the
ma'am.
questions
Thank you.
from the exercise provided after every lesson.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if prelim 3 will be online, then school can provide us board sheet.
No. How can we? No, beta. That
Ma'am, I
when
have
we
already
conduct the exam in the school, only at that time school will provide you the papers. Yes. Next.
Ma'am, please, if possible, please take ma'am practice paper on CBSE board sheet.
Sure. If the environment is conducive, if at all by God's grace things would turn normal, definitely we are going to conduct your exam, offline exam, because I want you to get practice, and even I wanted to conduct one live session, offline session with the children, because there are so many things I wanted to share with you. So this is my first session, and second session again I'll come up with some new instructions. Pardon?
Ma'am, time management session will also be conducted.
Yes. We will try to train you with the time management. So first session, how many minutes you have to give, and for the second session, how many minutes you have to utilize. So we will give you, even it will be mentioned before the section, by the way. We will give you that practice also.
Ma'am, if we start the paper from the last section, so it is allowed by the board.
As a matter of fact, see, first you will have all the MCQs. You are expected to write the MCQs. Then you have some short answers. Then you have descriptive. So try to go, because see, now when the evaluator is trying to check, so I have checked 10 papers, and 11th paper, all of a sudden it is like reverse. So first I'll see descriptive. So I'll be a bit disturbed. Then I'll be reluctant to give the marks. So try to follow the same system, the method. First section, second section, third section, go by sequential order. So I think that will be comfortable for the evaluator also. You have to assess your paper through the, you know, through the way of evaluator as well. Try to be in the shoe of evaluator. If at all I am in his place, how will you check this paper? So try to imagine that and write the exam. That will help you a lot. It should be readable, it should be legible, question number should be proper. After every answer, try to draw one line, try to leave one line, then try to put the heading, try to write it point wise, to the point. Don't write so much of information which is irrelevant. So to the point, try to be to the point. So any other questions? Should we wind up
No,
this
ma'am.
session here? I hope most
Yes,
of
ma'am.
your doubts are being
Ma'am, but thank
clarified.
you for ma'am, thank you for taking this lecture.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, my dear children. God bless you all. Wishing you a very, very successful life ahead, a very, very bright career and bright future ahead for all the students, right? So my best wishes to you. May God bless you all. And
Thank you,
looking
ma'am.
forward for your, for you writing fairing your examination well and coming up with success. And I hope our school will be at the top again this year. My best wishes to all the students, even those who have not started the preparations. Please start your preparations. Still you have time. It's high time you can even start your preparations. आज से भी अगर आप अपना preparation start करोगे, you have sufficient time, and I challenge you can be the topper in the school. So be serious now. अभी तक बहुत खेल कूद हो चुका है, बहुत मजाक हो चुका है, बहुत टाइम हमने मतलब समझो you have even wasted the time. But children, now be serious and be focused now. This will definitely help you. So with this, we'll try to wind up the session, right? Again, my best wishes. Take care of yourself. Be safe. Be careful.
Thank you.
God bless you all, children.
Thank
God
you,
bless
ma'am.
My best wishes.
Thank
God
you,
bless
ma'am.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Now you can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Take